Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you quickly how to clean up puff hats. So 3D puff is pretty popular because it gives you a 3D effect to your design. But there's some little tricks you can do to clean it up and make it look nice and sharp and professional. So the main thing you're going to need for this video is a heat gun. And if you don't have one, go to Harbor Freight, go to Walmart, go to Lowe's, Home Depot. They all have heat guns. And just find the cheapest one. You don't need anything too expensive. I actually bought mine on Amazon. And it works great. So mine's a Wagner, cheap little thing. It's like 15-20 bucks, but you could also use like these smaller ones. The main difference is just, you know, the hole is a lot smaller, but either one would work fine. So you just need something to heat up. I would not use lighters for this. They don't get hot enough. Just stick to heat guns and you should come out with really good results on this. So once your heat gun is plugged in, if your heat gun has any settings, I always use high. I just feel like the fan is stronger on that one and it's quicker to clean them up. The main thing is, if you've ever done 3D puff or your first time doing 3D puff, you're gonna notice that they sometimes leave a little residue from the puff foam. That's why it's always recommended that you use the same color puff as your thread. So this is easier to hide. But you're gonna have little, let's see if I can show it on here. So hopefully you can tell, but you can see little pieces of foam just sticking out around the edge. And to clean that up, that's where the heat gun comes in. So the technique to do this is to go back and forth on these. Never leave your heat gun close. Always leave about 2-3 inches of separation between your hat or your garment and your heat gun, because you can burn a hole in these things or catch it on fire. But it's literally a few seconds that you gotta hit it with, and that's all it takes to clean these up. So I'm gonna let it warm up for about 10 seconds. Usually when you start seeing the red inside, that's when it's ready to work for you. So, all right, and mine is red already. So just gonna go around it, and you're just literally shaking it back and forth. So what you're trying to do is shrink the 3D puff on here. So it compresses and cleans it all up. So again, remember, never leave it like directly pointing at the hat because you're gonna burn it. And you can also clean up the back, any loose threads in there. So, and once that's done, just turn off your heat gun, and you will notice a big difference between the two. So I'm not sure how well you can tell on your screen, but this is really cleaned up. So it tightens the thread up and it allows the hat to look professional and finished. So this is ready to give to a customer or to put for sale. And that's really all it takes. So all you gotta do is put your cardboard backing in and you're done. So that's how you clean a 3D puff hat. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching. As always, if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys soon.